I'm here. Now the truth of the matter is say, and you may know, say udofo ye called the lonely segment. Now lonely segment hono, say ne di kan kai no, oba hima kan bibi kire wo. Now can say
lonely segment no mo a mo ye suja for content crefo no a mo kwa na mo da no. Ubetumi afre. No me hu abrantia na sa baba wa no a unya no a openo no. Afre so mo so a relationship no emu onwuno dodo emu onwuno opese ye ne odofo no e kasa ne esiesie ma wo a eno so ase wo ye lonely o nti wo ka ho bi e na mo so a mo dofo mmemo so wa akra o so wa abrochire o mu nyina mo ye lonely enti wo so betumi afre na yabwa wo.
Hello. Na lonely segment na tie edu so a frɛ se wo lonely wonim se ne ekoso enye wabrabo no mu ana se ntawantawa bi wo ne odofo ntem ase nkomodie no enkoso onfio issues bi wo hono ma frɛ ne siesie so wo hono mo so a se wo se agi ni number producer bagi ni number no na ya frɛ no ye ne na akasa na ya kamo abomu na ya kamo bomu a you have no idea na ebesi wo dem ha sei enti edu hono ma se na wonim no obeti wo asom
the lonely segment.
I'm feeling lonely, me nyanga woman change tonight. Baby, I'm coming my way feeling right.
The lonely segment.
Mama, why you not? Who bet it? Rhythm of the gods.
I want money one now. Odo me pesa me hu se oh yeah.
I'm feeling lonely, me nyanga.
Come on tonight.
Baby, I'm coming my way feeling right. Me nyanga, mama why you nice, mama why you fine.
I'm feeling lonely.
Baby, I'm coming my way feeling right. Me nyanga, mama why you nice. I'm thinking of you. Yeah, I keep thinking of you.
The lonely segment.
Yeah.
Odo ye me na ma wa me ni obia. Oh yeah.
Unkwana woman me feel is a secret. Man say unkana bibi eme. I am a safi wa power before fraud. One in another famous array. Would it be the last time you're fighting? No, where you want take excuse for that me long time. I'm feeling lonely. Me nyaya anga uwa me chai tonight. Baby anga me ma wa feeling right. Me dim ya upe me ma wa ya nice. Me ma wa ya fine. I'm feeling lonely. Me nyaya anga.
Me pacho who feeling lonely ana?
Baby anga me ma wa feeling right.
Are you feeling lonely?
Me ma wa ya nice. Me ma wa ya nice. Hello. What's it?
Enka eyemia.
Ramuna wa jibumba.
Ah.
Odo me beza me buza bumuya. Bumuya. Hello. I want blame when you want ena. Flowers are bibumba.
Odo me pesa me hun se oh yeah. Oh yeah. I'm feeling lonely.
Me nyaya anga uwa me chai tonight. Baby anga me ma wa feeling right. Me dim ya upe me ma wa ya nice. Me ma wa ya fine.
I'm feeling lonely.
Nyaya anga uwa me chai tonight. Baby anga me ma wa feeling right. Me dim ya upe me ma wa ya nice. Me ma wa ya nice. I'm feeling lonely. Me nyaya anga uwa me chai
Me
tonight.
pacho mami hun se who feeling lonely ah. Frame me. Who feeling lonely ah frame me. Send me WhatsApp.
The love
Mami hun
guru.
ye koso den e ma who feeling lonely. Ade one wo ku ana.
The lonely
Oba no so ne wo ku ana. Issue ben e wo ho mayentie o.
The lonely segment. The lonely segment. The lonely segment. The love guru.
What's it mean, gang? Me. Ramuna wa jibumba. Odo me beza me buza bumuya.
Oh yeah. I want me money one enam.
Flowers are bibumba.
Odo me pesa me hun se oh yeah. Oh yeah. I'm feeling lonely.
Me nyaya anga uwa me chai tonight.
Woodsie, Okodia,
Me dim ya upe me ma wa ya nice. Me ma wa ya fine.
Me pacho utie me na who feeling lonely.
The lonely
The
segment.
issue be wo hono ma. Frame me na yende hun komo. Frame me.
Me dim ya upe me ma wa ya nice. Me ma wa ya nice. I'm thinking of you.
Number ni is 0551 931 931.
Odo ya me number one me ni obia. One for me call ya me say I come in kwa. Unkwa na hu.
Hello. Odo.
About so many
Me pacho twi free radio no kakra ma me why.
passages.
Me pacho lonely segment then ama wo ye
The
lonely.
lonely segment.
I'm the best of yes to cry a jamil.
Oh.
Kama mkwana mese.
Oh, inti ni ekoso nyina na chese wo nkwa.
Mkwana meda.
Oh. Oh tu kwan kon he okon.
Owa kra okoye adwuma o.
Message ben na wo de ma no.
My section and message on shape program you do.
Sa can baby channel emra wo tie we can baby channel.
My passion say around you.
Oh, that's beautiful.
What's it mean, gang? Ya me ya. Ramuna wa jibumba.
Hello.
Mother.
Hello?
Odo.
Susomi mu. If I show Udin the same.
Me did it. Very example.
Brabby mwe Udino.
So your friend is still because you example.
And you may why you lonely Anna. She jina baby ye wate. And yes I will radio no chu free radio no honey and tone kan ye.
But when
Hello? Aha me tie wo.
the media mom really feeling
What feeling wa ho?
and
Woodsie, Okodia, Kria, Ejiwa.
Okay, and info before front until kai.
I'm feeling lonely.
Hello. Obahima.
Hello, Mr. Albert.
Hello.
Hello.
Odo.
So me mo.
Me pacho dini baby of refi.
Me pacho ye frame radio. Me pacho se boato.
Radio. Me pacho yeti o.
Me pacho. And then you made me want if we say, Emma, minute, worry 7 years to me. That's what we name me summer. For the past 6 months, women because we need to sometimes it's in the number the money, I be because that's what he said. So the family life, when I was shaman, man, said, yeah, me, I made sure my bed. Because this is a month, can you imagine? Also, me, you know, because you already people. I'm ready, I need to know if we know. If I'm going to miss this next time, I'm not waiting. We are returning the court.
Oba jinaso ensu tie na usi bema no wan say ya
Ini baby I'm
Sompa FM.
nya botre onim jinaso producer ne obekasa why ya producer ne obekasa e bia ye be hwese betimi ne bema na kasa why okay thank you hello
Yeah.
Odo
So memo.
Odo.
Hello.
Odo. Young Quay.
So memo.
Ah, so me mo. And you may what feeling lonely, Anna. Ate, dear Nancy.
I don't know. My name is girlfriend. My name is girlfriend. I said, Kasakasa by them ready to I'm a man breaking up. So now I said, I don't know, but if you are quite the Accra, and so no central region budget, yes, Kasa or Fonso.
Okay.
I don't know, no, so don't. There's a separation by him.
Oh.
I said, only money in Kasa, na Bonivia, media, and
okay. Enti number no. Jinasona producer ne won kasawate. Ye be friend one ma. Ah, producer. Your friend is saying.
Your friend Becky.
Becky. Ah, the din so there. Mu be di odo de nya wote jinasowate.
Meso me din Daniel.
Daniel jinasowate ye ba. Producer no be kasa.
Hello. Hello. Odo. Odo. Odo na chichewa na. Me pacho odini baby of friend me free. Pacho ma weni su kakra ma me why. Okay, na nekia e den na ekoso ka me bi kire me. What's it? Aden.
The lonely segment.
We jail for 2 years.
Yeah, he was my everything. No, I stayed for 2 years.
Big Doe, the love guru.
Yeah, but all of the sudden, that was last year, December, and I only waking up for no reason. So what's up now? I'm very, very afraid to move on into a new relationship again.
What, so you don't want to start a new relationship?
I'm afraid to start a new relationship.
You are afraid?
Again. Yeah.
Oh, don't be afraid. So far as love guru wa idea, tell me. Ube free sa lonely mo. Tie. You bet you number.
Okay.
You're going to start a new relationship. You bet you number. You be your love bank no home. Your love bank be you do be can home. You bet you details ni baby ah. Intimate say hold on. Na producer bet you details. Why? Bet you telephone number. Any baby na you do can love bank no home. E da no dru so na ye yes assessment no so. E be yi mema na apie. Ma no so e wo apie. Na dru e ho so a we betimi make you choice a wo pe. Me pa cho what in America na say. Thank you so much. Odo.
You're welcome.
I'm thinking of you. Yeah, I keep thinking of you.
Hello.
The lonely segment.
Hello. Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Hello.
Yeah, boss. Good evening.
Odo.
So mimu.
Kabium. Odo.
So mimu.
What's the stormy one part?
What's
We didn't have your free.
If I tell me Katapi the Chima.
Why alone you now say what feel
No program here me. Now, me bisa bi we ma me dofu bia owo baby.
Okay.
Hello. Felicity.
What's ye? Okodia Kria Ejiwa.
If I tell say
Meet your pa.
owo adabukrum.
Okay.
Na me tell papa.
Your friend is saying what did he?
Felicity, what?
Felicity.
The lonely segment.
Na omo so fe pa.
Me da say.
Mo program no manage papa. Me so mo name mo pa.
Yate.
Na mo bua Ghana for man ni ma wache.
Yate.
Wetin me da ma pa Nyankopon hwam no ma program me nyɛ kɛse wa.
Amen.
I'm feeling lonely.
Hello. Hello. Odo. Odo.
So mimo.
Odo.
So mimo.
I'm patrol deal baby of refi.
Me ka so you.
Patrol free.
So.
Hello.
Yes.
Patrol who frame me free him.
Me ka so me freedom ahim kro.
My patrol ade why lonely ana.
Me ka so ayo my lonely pa.
Na odofo no we hin.
Me do fu Kumasi o.
O Kumasi hin fan.
O Kumasi abefo.
Ba se bibia ye okay wo muntem ana se ntawantawa bi wo muntem.
Bibia ye okay but be man no na say on said anye mami.
Inti den na opese enye ma o ye ne nkasa ana se enye den.
Me ko say mo ne kasa.
Opese ne nkasa wo ho.
Yeah.
Me pacho hold on producer be ji odin wo ho. Any information na yetimi afre na ahwe say betimi aka mo abom bi mu a why? Say na be ya wonye lonely bi mu pacho what as here. Thank you. Hello.
Hello. Good evening.
Odo.
O memo.
Odo.
O memo.
We didn't maybe I can free.
Yeah.
ma one so kakrai na twe ho free o radio de ho
No.
hello me ba cho wudin any baby o kasa free
Yes, Sammy.
me ba cho your friend saying
Young.
your friend with John
Young.
Okay, what kasa free here and you ready why you lonely ana Young, mental on you. What's saying you why you lonely ana na wo ba na
Baby, me home my money lonely pa.
Ade na why lonely.
Segment.
1 month me. After na. Oye me ma. So one day.
Obane o tete wo ho nti mo agya be 1 month ni.
Aye.
Oh. Na ojidi se na obo adwuma.
Ejuma wo.
Oh yeah, sure. Nene I didn't see 1 month ni oni ujia yi.
Oh yeah, ma say you can.
Okay. Enti say wo pese ede na yenyema wo.
Na I said
Enti won kan.
I'm feeling lonely.
Hello. Ejiwa.
Hello.
Odo.
Big Dog.
Odo.
The Love Guru.
Me pacho dini baby of Refi.
Me pacho me friend person me face
Pacho enyume why you lonely ana?
Me pacho.
Me pacho eba na saying.
Oh, me don't for me okay.
The Lonely Segment.
Odo for yeden.
Oh, me okay so my lonely.
Oh, aden. Pacho met me na kasa kakra na.
Me pacho.
Pacho ma mene nkasa. Ma mene nkasa.
Me pacho me dia.
Ose, wo di amano?
Me pacho me dia money.
Wo di amano?
Me pacho.
Be man pacho di saying.
Nana komia.
Oh, eja na komia. Wo di yeme de. Em pacho eba ne se no hima wo nche wa mana feel lonely sai.
Oh,
Na komia hu fa o de na ye o.
me on fa wa ya we.
Oh, na komia. Wo di oni bibi. E wo mu se hu fa wo. Ba we de mesre o se. Wo so ni mo kakra. Na o fi na no kakra. Ense hwe.
Omom pa me on to me am ya.
O hu beto se sia na komia. Wo di se peg mpo de ma me why.
Mate me ya ma.
De wo di ye ma me se sia me pese mete.
Mate minjo mate me ya ma.
Wo di ye ni se sia ma mpa cho. Wo di ba hima wo di ma ne peg ma me. Oh. Oh, I am the wrong. It's for Bakuka, for Bakuka.
Baby, I come and my feeling right. I'm feeling lonely.
Hello.
Hello.
Hello, Pacho. Udini baby of Refi.
The Lonely Segment.
Pakwesi odo. Pakwesi nyawotre. Odo.
Hello.
Pakwesi odo. Just so mama says so me mu.
Show me mu.
Aha. Pakwesi why you lonely na?
Ejiwa.
Me lonely.
Aha. I didn't know.
I want to appreciate my wife.
Whoa.
Okay.
Yeah, my wife is the best and first woman in my life.
Okay.
She's the one and only. Like Lady Tana's there. What's in my hand? I don't know Tana. Your friend is Vivian Lenny.
Your friend is Vivian.
Vivian. She's the best. Like She's my all. She's my all.
Okay, for Vivian D and then a number my what you see about a basso strong coin so.
That's all.
Producer Ebefro na waje inti. Wow.
She's the best.
I see a friend say I bent on say friend.
Now, what's your friend say? Would you know?
Tell me,
Parkwesi.
Yeah, so Betty and Kai Betty
and Kawai.
That's it.
Baby, I'm coming my way, feeling right.
Hello.
Hello, Odo.
The lonely segment.
Jimmy Sway, Casa Somimu. Odo. Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Odo. Odo. If I show Dini, maybe I'll free. But are you frozen? Sam. Charles, and you may offer free here. Okay. Anna, you are lonely, Anna.
I need you.
Nadia, I'm more lonely.
I'm getting for
Brabium. And so you are looking for love, yes, sir?
Yeah.
Okay. It's now so producer, I bet your number, no what?
Okay.
I pa by a son will be not on us so.
Now, so
Sour.
Grazie.
Yay.
Grazie. Love Guru idea now come Husano.
Big Doe. The Love Guru.
Okay, that's it.
The lonely segment.
That's a bit I say.
Thinking of you. What's it? I got the Korea. Ejiwa.
Although I am in a mama mini obia, one family call I am a coming one. One woman may feel it as a god. Man, say one gonna be a man. I am a savvy one power people from. One in another famous array. Could it be the last time you're fighting? No, where you want take excuse for that me. Long time, girl, you know I'm missing you. Me trouble for Tayana Benjina. Right now, I'm I need to hear from you. I'm feeling lonely. Baby, I'm coming my way, feeling right. I'm feeling lonely. Baby, I'm coming my way, feeling right. Hello, what's the mean? When I watch you, or don't me better me was a hello, I want brim when you want and up. Flowers are be woman, or don't me better me was a I'm feeling lonely, I'm tonight. Baby, I'm coming my way. I'm feeling lonely, me nyanka woman tonight. Baby, I'm coming my way feeling right. Me nyanka mama wayana, mama wayana. I'm feeling lonely, me nyanka woman tonight. Baby, I'm coming my way feeling right. Me nyanka mama wayana, mama wayana. I'm feeling lonely, me nyanka woman tonight.
The rhythm of the gods.
Hello, what's the main gang? I am here. When I was given back, or me better me was a boya. Hello, I want blame when you want and up. Flowers are be one or me better me was a boya. I'm feeling lonely. Baby, I'm coming my way feeling right. Me dim ya umbe, mama wayana, mama wayana. I'm feeling lonely. Me ya anga uwa menjai tonight. Baby, I'm coming my way feeling right. Me dim ya umbe, mama wayana, mama wayana. I'm thinking of you, of you, of you. Yeah, I keep thinking of you, of you, of you. Yeah.
Where you won't take exclusive mind, girl.
Girl, you know I'm missing you. Me travel for day.
Right now,
I'm I need to hear from you. I'm feeling lonely.
Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Me pacho Adjoa now.
Pacho.
Adjoa love guru ni. Ufre some few minutes ago.
The lonely segment.
Yeah, the Pacho.
Okay. How do you send me to your name? Yeah, person be so send back me no be. Na yetimi hu ne be. Me pacho your friend is saying. Who see ukunu no how many months near sa sem see here?
Pacho. 6 months.
6 months near. Into this you see oni fie wo ho.
Pacho.
Okay. Me pacho jina line also. Who see ukunu your friend is saying?
A friend or one in Sompa.
Oh ahine.
Pacho.
Ente emra original line so ye di ukunu to so sesi ya. Ye saka no. Na ye di neba beto line so sesi ya ma.
The Pacho.
Ente mpacho hold on kakra ma ye.
Pacho.
The lonely segment.
Hello.
Yeah, hello.
Me pacho good evening.
The lonely
Good evening,
segment.
Me pacho me din the big door, the love guru. Me from free Sompa 93.1 FM.
Sompa.
In Sompa FM, yeah, 93.1 FM. You was swami.
Okay.
Me pacho oni ma ba you be a friend Adjoa. Oye ohun kani.
Me Pacho.
We dey mesre o, your program your don program.
Big
Na
Dog.
the assembly
Love
to
Guru.
yenim. O the assembly to yenim na ye pese fro se akwenya wo ho anka na yetimi esiesie nkomo yi kama. Na nka ma sunwie ai den abefie.
Me Pacho me o air na.
Empacho wo Bacho say how there.
Okay, all the same. My friend Mary and Chinese men can say there. Me na kasa.
We dey me da sepa. Me pacho na oba hima na say osi odo. Na se bibi kakre onim ne poten ono ankasa de oti onim ne waye. Ba se unfi no oni ne nkasa 6 to 7 months ni. Me pacho bibi sa wo ho de.
Also onim de waye.
Osi onim ne waye. Na osi 6 to 7 months ni unfi no oye duane kra
The
onye de
lonely
hundi.
segment.
Won so unde fi.
Okay, so in the way, I'm interested because when you share me, I say, then Messi and I say, we are Gianni and I make us out. Only the way, they all kind of crowd, yeah.
The lonely segment.
What's your voice? What's your wife in the voice? What's in the can? Where the be Mati? Your program is in the other memo. Na mesrao. O wife o feeling lonely. Na your best stress ni esi bia no. Anka fa che no. Me din the love guru.
Big
say na ma frɛ
the love guru.
Anka me stress o din ne boni be che no. Na say bibi wo ho a betimi akanya odo no bioma na che say eyene ye betimi ayeden aka mo ayeden abomu nti me stress nya waye bia no fa che no odo so betimi di ache na nka be yende pa.
Oh, me adeba kono say me obi a me tension so but me can't say me say when tia na like as any me pena nka me ntisika nkoye na ho ade ana me decide say ma worry no enya de say me ni me yiri be jaya na say de tia fa for be so enya say de tia member no me show be di ho na say me we because of me be tia me nya sumje eno ntina ma pokra na me de so ejuma na me tie ejuma me tinya tra konyom sa ma de achi so ya no pa ma ba fi ma ba be hwe me ba me sa kwa ejuma. Hey.
Inte me pacho. Inte o chesa o da so ejuma mu.
Me pacho ai.
Obadwa o tie me. Obadwa. Ajwa o tie me. Ajwa tie. Ukunu se na oside kasa no metimi hu se why ready so de obone bechew.
Big do.
Ajwa tie me. Wo na wonim ukunu. Wo na wonim se na osite kan bibi che no na endi sa issue we wa hasisi ya mesrawo kan bibi che no. Me too.
Sina me sido abrantie we. Minim se bia na me don the bro so ni no ye me tell to do. It's me. Because and from for the try to do so but here me management. And then I mean
Ajwa tie.
Wow, like Busana say how many times Maka Cherry said, me 10%. Me cry me a bear man who say madam be about
me it's no big.
Bemen, sweetheart. Bemen, oh, wahine. Oh, wahine. According to KG1,
so begging him from Swatching. You know, me say, like, why are they Maka several times? Oh, there's here.
My power choice.
Oh, wahine, tell me. Ajwa mamene owo ahene nkasawate. Sweetheart.
Mami.
Bemena. Okasa kra ne kumi. Okasa kra ne kumi na Mr. Onyamo chewate. E ma de akrokro nko a o ase ye de ho logo legi so ade no opewu. Mr. Onyamo chewate ma ye ho ahomete. Mr. Yes, ye bia, yes, rew. Mo akoma mra from wate.
Owahine. E pa to me. Wo ne be ma no. Wo na wo ni mo ba no. Utimi say why worried. Mesre say can be che no sesia. Wo de fa ne why bia fa che no. Na can be che no sesia na. Ye hwe say bia obetimi a respond ya wo de mesre. Why?
Odo somimu.
Shamo.
Why ne? Ya we ne ti. For ya why bia fa che no. One na wo ti usika kwa den. E ware no. Ni esi bia no. Ye gina fidie so apa wo che wo say. Wo de fa che no. na kan bibi che na hwe se obe respond to me responding na niam akeke ye na etime wo se in the media obe kofie na che se wakwa do no what you say.
Oh yeah, once I say what for phone after education so say all the side to money mama must more friend and makasa. You say yes so say obe continue on the na all ye na so be. Then so me any part me phone.
Big dough.
And she said, "My phone no net on so I'm fine to me na me blame on an accident."
It can be channel says ya bonidi e din na the friend so when I want them say na ya one ne bonidi na keka sa asam na che na me hwe I want to see something.
Oh me dia ga some friend me friend on him across.
Okay, can be picture him. Can be picture him.
Oh him. So him.
No.
Ode match. Na me show ade ba because
why in can be picture no. Can do some picture no why in it.
Oh him me do watch.
Odona so.
Me to cover. Aye.
Oh why in it? Oh why in it? What's what to kai there?
Me to cover.
Yeah, oh why it? I draw one line or so. I draw a line or so.
Never trying.
So when yaje.
But you
Oh dear, ya bonyu bi amamo. Monjina so mo beto. Ya no nyina be sasa sei. Okuno jina so yi. Why? Wa wo fia wo tie ye. Won say na obi do aso. Sa na wo so de be de. Ebe so. Enti emra ya bonyu we. Muni ya nyina anya de. Enkambo mu nsa.
Odona so.
L.B. Don't worry. Beautiful. Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Good evening.
Evening.
Me pacho medindi love guru. Medindi big do the love guru. Nam pacho me free Sompa 93.1 FM. Me pacho Vivian ni.
That's right.
Vivian pacho ni mpa kwesi.
That's right. My husband.
O husband. Thank you very much. Me pacho pa kwesi friend ye. Na your program ye friend no odo somimu. E chance every Thursday 10 p.m. to 12. Na pa kwesi friend say found to enim say or appreciate you so much. Now without you he's nobody. Na osi en kanche unso say ni whole life no you are the magical alchemy. Abe kana brabo ho a no ehun say onama ni mu yedru. Na ne eto so no oba hima bi wa ha me ne program no. Na eto so nso no obeka ache o ne okunu kan say friend kanche o. Vivian wala so.
Hello Vivian.
That's right.
Vivian.
Hello.
Vivian ukunu bo abaso ye. I wish senanka wo so a wuti ukunu say yama wonte se wona wotna ye onu ni ho da oyo bankasa eba aduane a wo ho eba obuoni ahobrase a wo ho eba mpaso kra de ne na sei eno nti nani je wo ho nani je wo do wankasa nti yamfa amane yi mo Vivian enwume de minyawaye pa
Vivian na ka che pa kwesi
Wutie odo somemu.
Me to be na ka se ntem de na. It's me dem de.
na Vivian eyejume Thank you. Na mesre say ya obetie your program.
No na no Adam.
Thank you. Why are dear pa? Na oni bibi. Emra odo na so yi. Ye bonyum bi ama na sa nyumi uti wo ba bia kai se wera pa kwesi ono na obo sa nyumi ama wo. Nti pacho jina so ne tie nyumi kakra ansa na we free so why. Say enyume wo bebia kai se pa kwesi si oda so do
me ho me ho ba program no de enkofo adi odo agu ye so
yenya ne temo
yenya ne ntem
obi edu no de asida be ma ye technical team no especially to Ima ono na eja o chinchin fidie ne course ne ba na wa connect ama ye ne ade asida to si ni so nkoma technical team for no Facebook for ne nyina MCR for nyina Ima Kechemo Rexford David and my executive producer I call him the DRC Foster Blessed.
Oh yeah.
And don't forget Enyamin Kwana Mewaha, you're signing out together with
Okodie Nana Kwejiwa.
Na me pachoti your program no so no ye. Adie beche no morning show no to mu dindin de with Kwabena Kese.
Yeah.
Na near Toson so no your friend is saying sports and then social program ne nyina wo ho no mo. And remember say Sompa your best sumo pa. Emra ya sorry so kai say listen. Ade chi na ewia ne timi pie nko ade kai say wo a wo hoi obi do na emre no so a obenya wodofo. Same time next week Thursday. Love you, big dough.
Bye. Bye. Bye.